Alternative human hair is an investment, so ensuring the longevity of your piece is essential. Due to processing, it will require different care and products than biological hair. You will need to incorporate a restorative treatment into your care routine. In this video, I'll show you how to bring back to life your human hair wig or prevent it from ending up like this. For this, I'll be using Jon Renau's Pure Repair Restoring Balm. First, wash your wig or topper as you normally would with Argan Luxury Shampoo or In-Tone Violet Shampoo and gently towel blot the hair and cap. Pin to a pre-wrapped canvas blockhead, being cautious to not overstretch the cap while it is damp. Starting at the bottom, detangle the hair using your paddle brush and work your way up. Apply a small amount of Pure Repair into your hands and distribute evenly throughout the hair, keeping 6 inches away from the base. Next, cover the hair in a plastic shower cap and apply low heat from a blow dryer for a few minutes to help the hair absorb the treatment. Process for 5 to 20 minutes depending on whether you need preventative care or restorative care. Remove the plastic cap and then remove the wig or topper from the blockhead. Completely rinse the hair using cool, running water until the water runs clear. Gently squeeze out any excess water and then towel blot the hair and cap. Allow the cap to dry on a plastic or wire wig stand. Once the cap is dry, you can bring back your wig to the blockhead for a blow dry and style. Use Pure Repair treatment every 3 to 5 washes or as needed. For more videos like this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.